the tree stump right here.
Where? We'll put snow on it.
Or angle it more this way.
Where's that shovel that
You gotta hold on to this, Brandon.
It's in my truck. Do you want me to get it?
You don't let go, right?
We can make the
You ready? On your mark. Get set.
Go!
Oh! How does that happen?
Go. You can go a lot further. Keep holding the straps. Is that fun?
Yeah,
Look at
I'm
you.
gonna do that again.
Yeah, let me bring it.
Oh man. I feel like I'm working on a ski lift.
We can make a nice little ramp at the end here.
Ren, you have to hold on this time, okay?
That's what I tell you.
Don't let go.
Strap you onto it if you don't hold on.
Hold on. Keep holding on till I
You
tell
mark.
you.
Get set. Go!
Hold on, hold on. Ooh.
You gotta keep holding on tight.